Hey everybody, I am going to introduce the people that have been here for a workshop in chronological order video. So in this video, I'm going to introduce Lisa Orr. She was one of the first people that came here to give a workshop. She's going to be a part of the functional ceramics in Worcester in April, I believe. It might be an online workshop this year. We don't know yet, but those of you that have made it or will make it, here's Lisa and her famous butter dish. So you can see how intricately decorated those are with slips and underglazes and sprigs. She's a hand building, wheel throwing artist. Amazing design and color. But I highly recommend taking a workshop with her if you have not. She and Hee-Soo Lee were supposed to be here in March. Oh well, we'll reschedule that one of these days. But anyway, I wanted you guys to be refreshed of the pieces that have been here. Lisa was one of the people that donated to our food drive for the Dayton Food Bank. One of our customers was a winner. Those of you that can't come in and either interact with these personally or see the boneyard pieces from our shelving unit here in the studio, you can look her up online, Instagram, Lisa Orr, or you can check out our website, her Facebook page, her Etsy page, which will also be included in the comments below. Have a great day.